Welcome to this lesson on wave speed. Today we're going to explore one of the most important relationships in wave physics, the equation V equals F lambda. This equation connects three key properties of waves: their speed, frequency, and wavelength. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how these three quantities work together to describe how fast waves travel through space. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is wave speed? Wave speed is simply the distance a wave travels per unit time. Think of it as how fast the wave pattern moves through space. For example, if you watch ripples moving across a pond, the speed at which those ripples spread outward is the wave speed. It's measured in meters per second, just like any other speed or velocity. Now let's look at frequency. Represented by the letter F, frequency tells us the number of complete waves that pass a fixed point every second. Imagine standing at one spot and counting how many wave crests pass by you in 1 second. That count is the frequency. The unit for frequency is hertz, abbreviated as Hz. 1 hertz means 1 wave per second. Higher frequency means more waves are passing by each second. Next, we have wavelength, represented by the Greek letter lambda. Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive identical points on a wave. For example, you could measure from one crest to the next crest or from one trough to the next trough. This distance is the wavelength. We measure wavelength in meters. A longer wavelength means the waves are more stretched out, while a shorter wavelength means they're closer together. Now we can put it all together with the wave equation, V equals F lambda. Here, V represents the wave speed, F is the frequency, and lambda is the wavelength. This equation shows us that wave speed equals frequency multiplied by wavelength. All three of these quantities are connected, and if you know any two of them, you can calculate the third using this equation. Let's develop an intuition for why this relationship makes sense. Think of it this way. If waves pass by more frequently, meaning higher frequency, then the wave moves faster through space. Similarly, if each individual wave is longer, meaning greater wavelength, the wave also travels faster. Wave speed is literally equal to how many waves per second, that's frequency, multiplied by the length of each wave, that's wavelength. It's like saying, speed equals how many times something happens per second, times how far it goes each time. Let's work through an example to see this equation in action. Suppose a wave has a frequency of 50 Hz and a wavelength of 6 meters. What is its speed? We use the formula V equals F lambda. Substituting our values, V equals 50 times 6, which gives us 300 meters per second. So this wave travels at 300 meters per second through the medium. Let's recap the key points. First, wave speed depends on both frequency and wavelength. You need to know both to determine how fast the wave travels. Second, remember that higher frequency or longer wavelength both result in a faster wave. The equation V equals F lambda is your tool for connecting these three fundamental wave properties. Master this relationship, and you'll have a powerful tool for understanding wave behavior in all kinds of situations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.